Welcome to our tutorial on editing the sketch plane. We're going to pick up where we left off in our previous tutorial. I'm going to move Extrude 2 back to this face using the Edit Sketch Plane command. Right-click, Edit Sketch Plane. Actually, let's cancel out of this for now and add some configurations. Right-click, Add Configuration. Let's call it 02. OK. This configuration is now our active configuration, and let's go back to the Feature Manager. We right-click on the sketch and select Edit Sketch Plane. Under Configurations, let's select this configuration. Now select this face. Click OK. And we get a warning message from SolidWorks. The sketch contains dimensions or relations to model geometry which no longer exists. Let's close it. And now we'll right-click. Oops, let's deselect everything first. OK. Right-click, Edit Sketch. Here is our dangling dimension. Let's move this one also. Let's change it, let's say to 10 millimeters actually. OK. And exit our sketch. We also need to reverse the extrusion direction. Right-click, Extrude, Reverse. Click OK. Everything seems to be fine now. Let's go to our Configuration Manager. We've got two configurations now. And this concludes our tutorial on editing the sketch plane.